Good morning, Robin and Helen class. Today we're looking at division and we're going to be looking at the new bus stop method to help you do that. So, I have question 1 for us, and question 1 is 48 divided by 2. So some of you could use your 2 times table knowledge to help you answer this. However, the bus stop method is much quicker. So what you do is you draw a bus stop and then you put your number inside. You put the number you wish to divide by on the outside. Just like that. So now we need to think about these as separate numbers. So how many times does 2 go into 4? So if we use our 2 times tables, 2, 4. So that's in there twice. We then move on to our second number. How many times does 2 go into 8? And that is 4. So the answer is 24. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. So that's example 1. Let's have a look at another one. So question 2. 76 divided by 2. So same as before, you could use your 2 times tables and you could use that to help you, but again I think the bus stop method is quicker. So make sure your number's on the inside and what you're dividing by is on the outside. So this one's a little bit tricky, and I noticed already that 2 doesn't go into 7 equally. So we need to think about how many times does 2 go into 7 exactly. So 2, 4, 6, all 8, so it can't go in. So it goes in 3 whole times. And we got to 2, 4, 6. So we have 1 actually left over. So we put that 1 here, and that makes that number there 16. So now we think, how many times does 2 go into 16? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 8 times. So 76 divided by 2 is 38. Hopefully you're starting to get the hang of this now. Feel free to get a pen and paper and you can work along with me. So, question 3. 65 divided by 5. Now, same as before, you could use your 5 times table knowledge to help you. However, I'm going to pop it into the bus stop and see if I can work this out. So, 5 into 6. It goes once, and I know I'm going to have 1 left over. 5 into 15, 5, 10, 15, so that goes 3 times. So the answer is 13. Let's try 2 more, I think. So, question 4. 92. 92 divided by 4. So you can see the bus stop method really helps us now. We're doing larger numbers. Because although I know my 4 times table, I'm not sure I'd be confident all the way up to 92. So, put your number into the bus stop. Put the number on the outside. How many times does 4 go into 9? 4, 8, oh, so stop there. So it goes in twice. 8, 9, so I've got 1 left over. That gives me 12. 4 goes into 12, 4, 8, 12, 3 times. So 92 divided by 4. Okay, Robin and Helen class, I'm here to show you one more example. So question number 5. I have 61 divided by 3. Now I'm looking at that and I'm already thinking, I don't think 3 is going to go into 61. I know my 3 times tables, but let's have a check with our bus stop method and see what we need to do. So, put the 61 inside the bus stop and 3 goes on the outside. So, how many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6, that goes in there twice. 3 does not go into 1. So what you need to do is put a 0 up here to show that 3 does not go into 1. But it's really important I still remember that 1. So what we do is we put R1. R means remainder. So we are saying that 61 divided by 3 is 20 remainder 1. So it can't go equally into those groups. So I'll give you a chance now to have a go at your own bus stop questions. And what I want you to remember is that some of the questions you're going to have today might be number sentences, might be word problems. Remember, you can still use the bus stop method to help you, even when they're written in a different way. Good luck!